So, is there a secret to the law of attraction? What are the law of attraction principles? And what is the law of attraction? How do I manifest the life that I want? These are all good questions to ask. The law of attraction is very simple, and the less you try to overthink it, the better you are. I think that too many pseudo-spiritualist teachers and fake gurus try to sell you with a lot of words and fancy catchphrases to get your money. And so today I want to break down the law of attraction with very simple principles so that you can benefit from it in your own life. So I think that too many people complicate the law of attraction with paragraphs and paragraphs of interpretation. If someone can't simply explain it for you in one simple sentence, then they might be completely full of shit. They might also talk about why the law of attraction was hidden for so long. So, without further ado, in my own interpretation, the law of attraction meaning is that you attract in life what you think, feel, and do. So the law of attraction wasn't hidden, it wasn't a secret, it has always been around. It was just interpreted differently and given really a new catchphrase. The greatest intellectuals, philosophers, and thought leaders of numerous generations have conveyed parallel teachings and musings about this very same concept. Buddha, 5th century BC, said, "We are what we think. All that arises is with our thoughts, and with our thoughts, we make our world." So, you attract what you think. Check. Marcus Aurelius, 180 AD, said, "The happiness of your life depends on the quality of your thoughts." So, thoughts determine outlook and your life. Got it. Check. So, it's about priming your mind and focusing the power of your brain to achieve results in life, conscious of the fact that you are in control. You control your life, nobody else. Others may have some power over you, like a boss or a manager, but ultimately, in your life, your thoughts are final. It's your decision how you choose to react to what life throws at you, right? So, let's discuss a major myth about the law of attraction. I truly think that too many people choose to bastardize the law of attraction, and that myth is, if I think it, it will happen. Well, this couldn't be further from the truth. It typically comes from a place of ignorance, I believe. It's true that thinking is part of the process, but it's just one small part. It's like adding gas to a car with no engine. It's the right idea, but no vroom vroom. You dig? So, how do I know that the law of attraction is real? Well, I know personally for me because I've used it in my own life to achieve my childhood dreams, and I have no doubt that it can do wonders for you as well. So, the law of attraction secret is that there is no secret. There is just simple understanding and simple application. And the truth is, dun dun dun, that it's not even a universal law. So, universal laws. For instance, Newton's universal law of gravitation is universal law. No matter what anybody says or does, gravity is gravity. That's just simple science. What goes up will come down. Now, with the law of attraction, you don't get what you put out always, necessarily. Why? Free will. So, you can be a good person. You can be a Martin Luther King. You can be Mother Teresa. But does that mean that their good intentions were met with good outcomes? Absolutely not. It's free will of other people and situations. So the law of attraction is simply a causality relationship. So you're more likely to attract things the more that you seek them out, and then you bring them about as a result. But that's it. It's a chance. It's a higher percentage. It's a more likely outcome, through good old-fashioned willpower. There's no magic, there's no genie in a bottle, just unrelenting, focused work towards the attainment of a goal. So it's like luck. There is no luck fairy. You get luckier the more that you try. You feel me? So, the secret to applying the supposed law of attraction in your own life is with baby steps. So, to unlock the mysteries of developing the habit of attractive thinking, feeling, and doing. So, I want you to use these 3 questions every day, all day as you go about your routine. And they simply are: Number 1, is what I'm thinking right now attracting what I want? Number 2, is what I'm feeling right now attracting what I want? Number 3, is what I'm doing right now attracting what I want? So, by using these simple 3 steps, these 3 questions every day, you can start making very radical transformations in your life. You will see transformations in your relationships, in your health, your happiness, and even your career. So that's it. Take it, use it, absorb it, and you will quickly see the cause and effect relationship there and how much it will determine the success in your life. So you already have the power, you just need to realize it. So thank you so much for listening to this episode on the law of attraction. I hope that you understand it a little bit better and you know how that you can apply it to your life. So wishing you all the best and lots of success.